So after posting the last video about this little chest pouch from 511 Tactical, I got a question, or I got multiple questions, if you could actually fit the entire DJI Mini 4 Pro and also the new NEO inside this pouch. And I actually have good news, because inside here I have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So I could fit that one together with one battery here and one battery here, and the other battery is inside the back here. So you can actually fit the entire drone inside this pouch. I don't place it like that, because then it's a big risk that you're pressing the button here for the batteries. You're actually going to start out the drone. So I put it down like that instead, and then I'm gonna move it to all the way to one side, and then I put the battery in here, and then I put the other battery on this side up here. And now I can easily close this one, and then I can have my remote here when I'm out hiking. And if you wonder if I could actually fit the DJI NEO inside here, the thing is that the DJI NEO has the measurement of about 13 centimeters times 15 centimeters times 5 centimeters, and it happens to be actually almost exactly the same size as this DJI RC2 controller. And the DJI RC2 controller, that one fits just perfectly inside this pouch. That's why I'm very confident to say that the DJI NEO will fit perfectly fine inside this chest pouch. And I dropped a link to this one in the description box below. Personally, I've picked this one up from Tack & Gear, so I have a link to that as well. I have not found this one on Amazon as we speak, but I still link there to the search results. So if it's available when you are watching this video, then you will see it. Thank you so much for watching. Let's see each other in that video. Have a good one. Bye.